Hello. Today I'll be going over how to use the DocumentCloud batch upload script. To start, you'll need a few different things. First, you'll need a DocumentCloud account that is verified for upload. If you need verification instructions, I've left it in the description of this video. Second, you'll need a system that has both Python and Pip installed. I'm working on a Ubuntu-based Linux machine for this video demonstration purpose, so I'll show you how to install that on here. First, we'll want to install Python, so we'll do sudo apt-get install -y, just says yes to the prompt, and we'll provide your password. And then we'll want to download Python 3. I'll type in my password. And you'll see that it's already installed on my system. If it wasn't, it'll prompt you to install those packages. The second thing you'll need to install is pip. So same thing, sudo apt-get install -y python 3-pip. And then you'll see that Python 3 pip is already installed on my machine. This will vary depending on which distribution of Linux you'll be using. Whether that be Debian-based Linux distribution, or Arch-based, or Ubuntu, or Fedora-based Linux distribution, and so on and so forth. You'll need to use your command line or software installation GUI to install Python 3 and Python 3 pip. The second thing you'll need, of course, is the actual batch upload script. The easiest way to go about finding that is at this URL, which I'll drop in the description of the video, or if you go to github.com/muckrock and you type in dc_batch, you'll be able to see it in the search results. You can download the code repository to your local environment in two different ways. You can either use the GitHub CLI, that requires that you have the GitHub tool installed, or you can click on download zip. I'm going to go ahead and do that. And once I have the zip file, I'll need to extract it. And here's the local script, which includes the batch upload Python script, the requirements.txt. Another thing you'll need to do is go ahead and install all the requirements for the script to work. So if you right-click in your file browser, you can get into the directory, and then you'll need to install the requirements.txt file. And you can do pip install -r requirements.txt, and that'll install all the required packages for the script to work. You'll see that I have most of them already installed. Another thing you'll need is the project ID of the project that you would like to upload the documents to on DocumentCloud. The easiest way to find that is to actually click on the project that you're interested in uploading to. In this case, I'm going to just have a bulk test folder, and it will be the numerical code at the end. So if I go to this project, the project ID will be 210772. For a bulk test, it will be 211193. We'll want to keep note of that for the script to work. Next thing you'll need is the actual file paths to the directory of documents that you're interested in uploading. In this case, I made a bulk test folder, which you'll see has 24 different PDFs, but it could include a lot more. Easiest way on a Linux system to go ahead and find the directory is if you click on the folder, and then in your file manager, right-click, you can open in terminal, and then you can type in pwd, that's print working directory, and it will tell you the current directory that you're in Linux. So I'll need that for the bulk upload script. The next thing you'll need to do from your terminal is go ahead and set up the environment variables. Specifically, all caps DC underscore username and DC underscore password. That'll be your DocumentCloud username and password. The way to do that on a Linux system is go ahead and do export and space the name of the variable, so in this case username, and then the value, and that's set the environment variable for that, and then the same thing for the password. You'll do export DC underscore password and then type in your password here. I've already set up the environment variables, and I can verify that by doing echo and then typing in $, and then the name of the environment variable, and it'll tell me that I set it correctly. Of course, if you wanted to save that environment variable so that it's available even upon restart, you'll have to make a configuration file like profile.d. Now that we've verified that the local environment variables are set, the last thing we'll need is a CSV file. If you don't already have one that is generated that describes your documents, that both includes 2 columns at least, one being title and one document number being the name of the files that you're looking to upload, so it would include a list of all of these minus the PDF in the name, so minus the extensions. If you don't have one, you can use the script to go ahead and generate a CSV file. First, we want to go to the directory where the script is located. So in this case, DC underscore batch upload master. Then, since we have Python 3 already installed, we could do Python 3 batch upload.py. And then we do -p and then space the project ID. So in this case, I want to upload it to this project. And then we want to do --path, and of course I listed the directory where the documents are located already. And then we can use --csv, give it a name, so in this case I'm just going to do bulk test.csv, and then we do --generate underscore CSV. What this will do when I run this command is it's going to generate a CSV file for me, but it won't actually upload the documents yet. I can verify that bulk test.csv was created here. And then now that we actually have the generated CSV, we can run the command again by clicking up on the up arrow key to go to our last command, and then removing --generate CSV. I hit enter, and you'll see it queuing the documents and uploading, and we'll see that there was no upload response errors and that all of them were completed. Do note that since we're using the bulk upload script, there is going to be a lag time, usually around 30 minutes, between when we've run the script and when the documents start appearing on DocumentCloud. Sometimes that can be even a couple hours, so give it some time, but do rest assured that the documents were indeed uploaded. It will take some time for indexing to occur. Check back in a little later and you'll see that the documents are uploaded. And as you can see now, all the documents have been uploaded using the bulk upload script.